Hi guys, thanks for watching. Got a quick video presentation on this Vauxhall Zafira 1.8 petrol manual, and it is a 7-seater design model. So 0808, so 12 years old, 13 years old. It's done 140,000 miles, just over, and quite a clean car inside in terms of the way it drives. Very happy. Only sign of wear is on this driver's bolster. So you could do with either just replacing the leather, because everything else in this car is actually quite nice. So yeah, not been smoked in. It will go through our workshop and we'll do what we call a 69-point inspection. It's basically a consumable health report, and we're able to tell you on this report everything: tyre tread, the kind of quality of the brake fluid, quality of the coolant, the tyres and the brake pads and discs, and the level that they're working on. So we'll do all that for you along with an interim service, so you've got kind of peace of mind really. So yeah, if you have any questions guys about this vehicle or any of our others, please give us a call, pop us an email, check out our dealer reviews online on Auto Trader or on Google, and we'll look forward to hearing from you and taking any questions. Thanks very much for watching.